Welcome dear friends, this is mock test 9 of SST General which will be conducted by KPPSC. Exculpate most nearly means absolve. Banal most nearly means commonplace. Antonym of ostentatious is modest. Antonym of conquer is decent. Quixotic most nearly means idealistic but impractical. Idiom pass the buck means shift responsibility. Phrasal verb bring about means cause. Choose the correct preposition. He must abide dash the rules. By the rules. Iconoclast refers to someone who challenges cherished beliefs. One word substitution. Government by religious leaders is theocracy. One word substitution. A collector of coins is a numismatist. Figure of speech in he lost his coat and his temper. ज़्यूमा ज़्यूमा उस वक्त यूज़ हो जाता है जब एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट दो मुख्तलिफ चीज़ों के लिए दो मुख्तलिफ सेंसेस में इस्तेमाल हो जाता है. अब यहाँ पर जो वर्ब है लास्ट वो कोट के लिए भी इस्तेमाल हुआ है और टेम्पर के लिए भी इस्तेमाल हुआ है और दोनों अलग सेंसेस में इस्तेमाल हुआ है. A reference to a well-known person, event or text is called allusion. Choose the correctly spelled word. Occurrence. Option C. Choose the correct word. We need dash details before finalizing the report. Further details. Choose the correct word. This car is very dash on fuel. Economical. Bona fide means in good faith. Choose the correct preposition. She took exception dash his remarks. To his remarks. Enfranchise most nearly means grant the right to vote. The author of The Pilgrim's Progress is John Bunyan. Ulysses was written by James Joyce. Lord of the Flies was written by William Golding. A play blending tragic and comic elements is a tragicomedy. Repetition of conjunctions e.g. and is polysyndeton. Germane most nearly means relevant. Enunciate means pronounce clearly. Choose the correct word. Please dash that all lights are switched off. Ensure ऑप्शन बी, क्योंकि जो इंश्योर ई से शुरू होता है तो वो उसके माने है टू मेक सर्टेन, और जो आई से शुरू होता है इंश्योर तो वो यूज़ होता है इंश्योरेंस के लिए. स्पाइरल करिकुलम ब्रॉनर मीन्स revisiting topics with increasing complexity. Diagnostic assessment is mainly used to identify learning difficulties and needs. Choose the correct question tag. Let's begin the lesson. Shall we? Choose the correct option. The school revised dash discipline policy. Its discipline policy. वफादारी का मुतरादिफ है इखलास. उम्मीद की जिद है मायूसी. मुहावरा दाल में कुछ काला होना का मतलब है कुछ गड़बड़ होना. इसम की जगह आने वाला लफ्ज़ कहलाता है ज़मीर. जिस सनत में हम मुनासिबत अल्फाज इकट्ठे लाए जाए उसे कहते हैं मराअतुन नज़ीर. SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. Main photosynthetic pigment in plants is chlorophyll A. When calcium carbonate reacts with dilute HCl, the gas released is Carbon dioxide. Sum of the roots of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 is 5 over 2. सम ऑफ द रूट्स के लिए हमारे साथ फार्मूला है माइनस बी ओवर ए. यहाँ पर b की जगह -5 आएगा और a की जगह 2 आएगा. तो नेगेटिव नेगेटिव एक दूसरे को कैंसिल करेंगे तो हमारे साथ जो सही आंसर आएगा दैट विल बी 5 over 2. A bag has 5 red and 3 blue balls. Probability of drawing 2 reds without replacement is 5 over 14. The Simla Agreement was signed in 1972. SAARC Secretariat is located in Kathmandu. The institutional development of Baitul Mal is most associated with the Caliphate of Umar Raziyallahu anhu. The Quran was first compiled into a single book form Mus'haf during the Caliphate of Abu Bakr Raziyallahu anhu. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.